back.
Yeah,
There's plenty of room.
that's what I liked about that.
Even with that board.
Yeah.
And a couple more times, even when you had that thing there, I wasn't even looking at it.
Oh, yeah, I was trying to do it just to video it. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It is though interesting though the perspective when you're watching your hands dance around it. They always used to say the most frustrating thing in the world is watching someone else thread a needle. And it's kind of like the same idea, right? It's like, oh, you're so close.
Come on, get it, it's right there.
How could you not see that? But it all comes down to connection 8, cable 8.
Actually, I didn't find too much pressure sitting here, lay on there. It was right about the right area. I didn't get too fatigued there. It's just the body gets. Oh, there goes nothing forward.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. She's over at Open Island. She got her. Okay. Yeah. That's where duty station is for about 2 years. Over 2 years. So she'll be there. Besides that, she's exploring the island. Yeah. She was doing her job, I guess.
Your daughter's Marines?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I was catching. What does she do there?
She's a aircraft or forward aircraft support services.
Okay.
Part of her job is doing the forward deployed runway strips. The stuff that goes on there. They got a whole crew that does that. She got in one of those crews. Because she told me she's not going to be a base cook, admin, or plumber. There's none of that. So,
How does she like it?
well, she seems to have acclimated real well.
Yeah.
She gets along. She's got the right frame of mind. I guess military life really agrees with it.
Good.
So, she's doing pretty good. And she says, "Oh, she's so lucky. They got a Starbucks there on one of the faces." So for her birthday, and then let's see, beef jerky and cigarettes are like
Currency. Yeah.
there. So for her Christmas present, I got her like 8 bags of beef jerky.
Oh, yeah.
To use as she goes over there. Yeah.
Now, is she expected to be carrier deployed as well?
No, that's Navy. The Marines won't be doing that.
Okay.
That's Navy personnel.
Okay.
The only Navy personnel on carrier or seagoing vessels are deployed forces like on the big landing ships or the troop carrier ships, or like on carrier or battleship, you're part of a security contingent.
Now, not to change the subject, but I actually jumped I jumped 2 connectors here. I have to redo them. Damn it.
You're on tape.